Welcome back, guys. Today the topic is going to be very interesting, especially for the Tesla enthusiasts out there. Some steamy details have dropped out of the box at its Tesla Roadster leaks, and what we know about it so far. So let's get started on it. The Tesla Roadster is an impending, all-electric battery-fueled four-seater, all-wheel drive sports vehicle, idea being developed by Tesla Inc. Tesla has guaranteed that it will be equipped for 0 to 60 miles per hour or 0 to 97 kilometers an hour in 1.9 seconds, which would be faster than any road legitimate creation vehicle as of the declaration in 2017. The Roadster is the replacement to Tesla's first creation vehicle, which was the 2008 Roadster. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has said that the Roadster deals will start after the arrival of the re-examined Model S Plaid, beginning creation in 2022. Musk said in a tweet that better trim levels will be accessible past the base particulars, including a SpaceX bundle which could incorporate 10 little rocket engines organized flawlessly around the vehicles, which would eventually take into account sensational enhancement in speed increase, maximum velocity, slowing down and cornering, and surprisingly the chance of flight. The second-age Tesla Roadster is a 2+2 car with a removable glass rooftop. It was planned by Franz von Holzhausen, Tesla's main originator, who has additionally been answerable for most before vehicles made by Tesla Motors. The Roadster has 2+2 guest plans, with more modest black seats for 2 travelers. The Roadster has 3 electric engines, 1 in the front and 2 at the back, considering all-wheel drive and force vectoring during cornering. Tesla said that the vehicle had a 200 kilowatt-hour battery, double the limit of the biggest battery in a current Tesla vehicle, in the Tesla Model S or Model X Performance or Long Range Plus. Tesla has said that the Roadster will have a 1,000-kilometer, 620 miles range on a solitary charge at parkway speeds. Tesla expressed that the force at the wheels was about 10,000 Newton meters. The back tires are bigger than the front wheels. Concerning the Semi, it should flaunt a 500-mile range with power found in 4 electric engines. Musk likewise guaranteed the Semi can re-energize 400 miles worth of reach in only 30 minutes with a mega charger. To be reasonable, that is similar to how long it requires to top a diesel-controlled Semi off, which requires about 15 minutes. Since it's been a long while since we've found about the Tesla Roadster, we should go over some essential details. First of all, this electric sports vehicle should begin around $200,000, says Car and Driver. From that point, you can pick the Founders Edition, which should cost somewhere around $250,000. Remember that since the vehicle isn't accessible, these are gauges for the present. As per Tesla, the Roadster can hit 0 to 60 miles an hour in 1.9 seconds and proceed to a maximum velocity of more than 250 miles an hour. In any case, it would all the while offer 620 miles of electric reach. This brings us flawlessly to where the Tesla Roadster remains in 2021, after it apparently evaporated for quite a long time. The subtle electric game is currently in plain view at the Peterson Automotive Museum in California. That is the place where the most recent plaque and significant update comes from. A participant of the Historical Center posted a picture of the plaque on Twitter, revealing that the Roadster could hit 60 miles an hour in just 1.1 seconds, since the vehicle hasn't made it into creation yet. A gigantic presentation knock sounds doubtful, best-case scenario. As indicated by the plaque, the vehicle will accomplish this run with something many refer to as the SpaceX package, which seems by all accounts to be totally fresh, out-of-the-box new. Given the vehicle's strange nature, an informed deduction would be that this inconceivable time is, truth be told, not genuine. In any case, the sky is the limit. As indicated by Car and Driver, the sports vehicle may show up 1 year from now as a 2023 model. Nonetheless, if its history is anything to pass by, future deferrals wouldn't by and large be astonishing. Until further notice, there is nothing left but to trust that this vehicle will in the long run make it into creation and follow through on its cases. So that was all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know what you think about the new Tesla Roadster in the comment section.